Are you looking to find an alternative location to run your business? An offshore company provides many benefits to your business, such as simplifying business operations, protecting your assets, increasing your privacy, reduce your taxes, and more. A company that is incorporated in an offshore jurisdiction can be used for many purposes, including bank accounts, an online business, investments. You can also buy and hold physical property in a foreign country or use it as a holding structure for intellectual property or any other non-physical asset. Forming an offshore company doesn't need to be complicated. Before you begin, it's important to be aware of the tax laws and reporting requirements in the country where you reside, as it will help determine your obligations. Our experts at Offshore Protection will guide you through each of the following steps. Step 1. Pick a preferred company structure, such as a private or limited company, and the offshore country where you would like to incorporate. Step 2. Choose your company name and supply the necessary documents, such as passport, address, and a business proposal together with the registration fee. Step 3. Incorporation will take anywhere from 2 to 14 days. Once your company has been accepted by the registry, you may need to open an account, get a secretary, or an account signatory. After your company is formed, all of your documents will be mailed to you in the coming days. At Offshore Protection, we have a team of professionals that take care of everything from start to finish, so you can sit back and relax. Offshore Protection. www.offshore-protection.com. Office at offshore-protection.com.